Maybe it's not just I want to go be the best MMA fighter in the world, but I want to push my limit to be the best me.
You never trained before?
We'll see.
Martial arts?
We'll see.
No.
We'll see.
Have you trained or not?
We'll see.
What I can see is a big guy, but sometimes big guy don't mean nothing.
I wanted to show people that I can step outside of my comfort zone. That's why I came.
Let's go inside the octagon.
We're going inside the cage.
Uh-huh.
Oh, shit. Right now, you know, I'm kind of shaking up.
This is Arthur. He's an MMA fighter. He's a Muay Thai fighter.
Hey, brother, you look like you fight for real.
Rocked it with that. There we go. Nice left hand. He's following it up. He's out.
I'm not intimidated, but I love this shit. I'm ready. Hey, this is a grown man sport right here. I'm Ron Boss Everline, Cellucor athlete, fitness motivator. In this series, my workout is taking me outside of my comfort zone. I'm hitting the road with other athletes on their turf, learning how they choose to train. You ready? Let's take this journey, let's have fun, let's just train, and let's get to this work. It's Ron Boss Everline here on another episode of C4 on the Go. I'm in Huntington Beach, California, and I'm at King's MMA to work out with Master Rafael. And I'm excited. I've done this stuff before, but it's like, it's my time because I get to work with a guy that has 3 decades of training under his belt, and he gets to teach me in a one-on-one class, and I get to join other people. So come join us with On The Go, and we're about to show you how to move on the go, MMA style, Ron Boss Everline, Master Rafael. Let's go ahead, let's kick ass, let's move. Rafael.
Hey, boss.
They call you Master.
Hey,
The Master. The Master. What's up, man? How are you?
Welcome.
I'm happy to be here.
Hey, man, big guy.
No, don't let the size fool you. I don't have a clue what I'm doing here. I'm just coming to see you. I hear you're the best in the game. A little bit about yourself. Like, you know, how long have you been doing this? Like, how did you get into it? Like, what's your background? You know
So I started martial arts with 11 years old.
Oh, wow.
So I'm 45 years old. I started as a kid with Taekwondo.
Wow.
After I started training Muay Thai, I became Brazilian champ. And then start work MMA. After then become World MMA champ. After then start teach for a lot.
So you're just a champ. It sounds like you just...
Yeah, I was champ in the past.
Okay.
So and then start coaching people and a lot of UFC fighters, Pride fighters, a lot of champs all over.
Where you from, though?
I'm from Brazil.
Brazil. Where in Brazil? I've been to Brazil.
South.
Oh,
South
where?
Brazil.
Where in
South
Brazil?
Curitiba.
Oh, wow. So I've been to Sao Paulo. It's amazing. But then I've also been to Florianopolis.
Close to my city. Close to my city, South as well.
Love the people in Brazil, but I hear they can fight there. So I'm
love
kind of
fight.
nervous.
No, they love
to
fight.
be here today. It's another episode, man. I'm super excited to have you because obviously I heard all these great things. I'm not intimidated yet because I haven't seen anything.
I know you have good skills. What I know about you have good skills. Everything they have a practice, you have a goal. You're a really athletic guy, so it's gonna be easy for you.
Well, we'll see. Anything. I just want to come have fun and obviously see, learn a few tricks in case somebody run up on me. Then I can hit them with an elbow.
Exactly.
Yeah. But I don't want to fight anybody. That's the thing. I don't want to fight anybody, but if you mess with me, I have learned from the master. Let's go.
Let's go inside the octagon.
We're going inside the cage.
Uh-huh.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
I ain't never been inside a cage.
Let's go. First time today. Hey.
They put the dogs in the cage.
Hey. This is the place.
They put the dogs in the cage, baby.
I think it's gonna be good. He's a big guy, but sometimes big guy don't mean nothing. We're gonna do Muay Thai, stand-ups, stand-ups combination, some takedowns, and some exercise on the floor. This is Arthur.
Arthur?
Arthur's
Hey,
my
brother, you
student.
look like you fight for real.
Yeah, fight for real.
And he's rocked it with that. There we go. Nice left hand. He's following it up. He's out.
He's an MMA fighter. He's a Muay Thai fighter. So
Oh, wow.
my student for a long time.
Wow.
Represent
So you
us
learned
very
from him.
well.
He's pretty good?
Yeah, he's a master, you know?
He's the master. Okay.
So
Respect.
first thing, are you southpaw or orthodox?
I'm southpaw. I'm orthodox. So I can go left or right. I'm left-handed.
Left hand, so right hand first. Perfect. So fica de canhoto. First exercise gonna be jab, knee, back fight stance, and then vai pro double aqui, ó. One, and then back. So first exercise, jab. As soon as you throw your jab, you're gonna throw your knee. From there, all the way back. I'm gonna move forward. You're gonna change the level, and then you go for double leg.
Okay.
So jab, knee, double leg. Whoop, and then back. Jab,
Oh, shit.
knee, double, whoop, and then back.
All right.
It's gonna be our first exercise.
Let's go.
So jab, hands up. First of all, hands up. Jab, knee, back, double leg. Okay. Like that. I like that. I like
Okay.
that. I like
I
that.
gotta just calm
And
down.
also, what's great? Jab. Knee.
Okay, back, straight back. Okay.
All the way back. Jab. Knee. All the way back. Double. Oh, yeah.
Number one.
And movements. 3. Knee. Oh, stay with me. It's all good. Number 2. Oh, yeah. Hunt me. Cover. Roll. Knee. And go. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was the best one. This we talk about. This we talk about.
Fuck.
Excellent. I love that. I love that. You put your opponent on the floor.
Okay.
And then, remember, you lift the hand and boom, you put it on the floor. As soon as you put it in the floor, he start working his guard. So next one, control the leg. Balance. Move his leg to the side. As soon as you move his leg to the side, step in. As soon as you step in, punch,
Okay.
and then come back. For example, right leg,
Boom.
left punch.
Punch. Yep. Got it.
Control,
Here.
boom. Yes. Show me more this one.
Oh, it's the left hand. So here.
Left hand, boom.
Oh, hit. Okay.
And then back. Go a little bit less with your body. Boom, and then come back. Step, boom, isso, that's it, that's it.
So here, body.
Boom,
Fuck.
exactly, always opposite. Opposite, I love that. Your left side is better. Boom, you got it. So facing him. Cover, hook, cover, hook.
Hold on. So do it again.
Cover, hook, roll,
Okay.
hook, knee, double leg,
Double.
boom, stop. Okay. So this is our thing. Pressure. Use your head against his head, against his leg, and put him on the floor. As soon as you put him on the floor, you're gonna do guard.
Yeah.
And for your guard, I want to see you punch him. 1, 2,
You want to see everything.
do the thing. As soon as you put him on the floor, you're gonna do guard, control his foot, foot his leg to the side. Boom.
Perfect.
Boom, take him down.
Come on, boss.
Remember? Yeah, this one happened. Uh-huh.
Exactly what you said I'm doing. Come on, boss. Come on, boss.
It's good.
Come on, boss. Yo, weak-minded ass. You got this. 3 go. 3 go.
Lift him. Up. Up. Boom. One time, boss. Knee. Boom. Take him down. You're gonna do guard, no problem. Boom. That's it. Boom. Knee. Hey, put him down. What? Boom. Oh, yeah. Side. And bingo. Nice one. I need 2 more like that. 2 more. 2 more like that. Shoot. Side bingo. 1 more. Hey. Counter him. Knee. Knee. Hey, boom. Side bingo. Time. That's it.
Shit.
Hey, this is a whole nother level. Them kicks, those kicks are like.
Train like a champ. This is what we do. This is what professional guys do. Every day. Daily basis, this is what we do every day. Excellent. You did very well. It was just our first class. We did a lot of things. So can you imagine?
Yeah.
Kicks, knees, tight clinches, elbows.
I think it's just showing people the levels that you can go to outside of what my comfort zone is on a daily basis, right? So what I do on a daily basis, I think I push myself to the limit. The whole reason why we got this show is so we can show people that fitness, exercise, being better doesn't have to be one-dimensional. As long as you challenging your mind every day, you get up and you be willing to put in that work, and you may get some epic shit in return because you want to check, test your boundaries.
We have this morning a good MMA session with Boss. His cardio was good, his techniques are good, explosive guy. He's really athletic guy. He learned very fast, was great experience, was a good class, was no level 1, the train, at least level 4, which means a great level from a beginner. Was the same session than I usually do with my professional fighters.
Rafael is amazing. I mean, you obviously see why he's the man. Just train, C4 on the go. Let's go.